So if you have a back that's hurting you, especially in the low back, well, that could be a variety of things. If we're going to follow some Eastern philosophies, that's the money belt area. So if you have money issues, that's where you're going to be hurting. It's also where your kidneys are and your bladder, so that could be a source of your hurting. But just to make sure it's not your muscles hurting, we have a stretch that we can do. So you're going to lay on your back, and you're going to bend your knees. And for one thing, when you get down here, you're just going to breathe. And try to let go and let every muscle just kind of relax, especially those in your back. And you may find that you have to move a little bit and squirm a little bit and stretch some of those muscles out, because as you breathe and relax, you're going to feel yourself lengthening a little. So now we're going to pick up our right leg and we're going to put it on our left leg so it looks like we have a figure 4 here. And after we've let this relax, and we're not feeling any pain from doing this. If you feel pain in doing this, then stop at this particular motion. But if you're not feeling any pain, then you're going to want to pick up your leg and grab it and pull that bent leg as close to your body as you can until you feel the stretch. And now you want to practice your breathing again. In through your nose, out through your mouth. And maybe you can pull it a little bit closer. And do that again. Slowly and gently. Put that leg back down. Feel the stretch. And now change legs. Again, making sure everything is getting situated and stretched. And again, if you feel the pain in the stretch in this position, then just stay here in this position for a few minutes. Picking that leg up and breathing through. And pull that stretch a little bit more. Down. Now, one other thing that you can do that isn't too stressful on your body but will help stretch out your back is pick up both your knees and roll them as far as you can. You should feel the stretch along the side of the body that's away from the floor. And bring it up to the center and then over. And feel that stretch and bring it down. And then repeat. You can do those 3 or 4 times a day if you find yourself with a few minutes to do them. And you only have to do them 3 or 4 times, holding for, 10 or 15 seconds each time. And you'll actually start to see a great improvement. Especially if you have children or friends that have those high lifted vehicles and or vans, and you have to lift your feet up to get into them, you'll start to see a difference.